Hey viewers, my name is Time. It's your favorite boy King Toffee.
Hello fam, my name is Kitoni.
My name is Steel Boy.
I'm here to remind you about our Easter giveaway show. Well, I don't know what you're waiting for. If you haven't gotten your tickets already, you should go get your tickets now. I mean, grab your tickets now like you're grabbing the fat ass.
You know what? It's the birthday of our boss, and you know what I mean?
Come support my brother, my senior man, the big boss himself, because it's his birthday, of course. Mr. Elegant Akpabio also on that day. So yes, he's the brain behind all this, and it's gonna be dope, super dope. Come on.
All you just have to do is call the number on your screen to get a ticket, and I bet it's gonna be fun.
You should have missed that.
King Toffee, you know what it is. I sign out.
I hope to see you on the day. Peace out.
I remain Steel Boy, your fucking host, man. You know what I mean? You don't wanna miss out. Man's not gonna say peace out, but fucking peace out, bro.